Welcome to CookChezToi. Today we'll be making oatmeal cookies with 2 bananas and some oatmeal, 1.5 cup of oatmeal. That's it. Let's get started. First, we are going to peel the bananas and put them in the bowl. So I let my banana over the counter to ripen because I love them sweet. So I'm gonna just puree the banana. Keep pureeing the banana. It takes quite a while to get them to the consistency we want. So keep doing it. I went ahead and turned my oven to 350 Fahrenheit, which is about 180 Celsius. And I keep fighting with my bananas. The fight has been won, so it's very well puree. You did a good job if you get to this consistency. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the oatmeal, starting by the 1 cup, a little bit at a time, and you mix it, and you add a little bit more, and you keep like incorporating the oatmeal into the banana. And now you're gonna add the 1/2 cup, don't forget about it. Keep mixing it. You want to make sure it is well incorporated together, the bananas and the oatmeal. So add the remaining 1/2 cup and keep mixing it. When it's well mixed, let it sit for 20 minutes. While my oatmeal and banana are resting, I'm gonna go ahead and coat the pan with some butter. I do not have the spraying oil that you usually use. If you have it, go ahead and use it, but I've noticed that butter works so well in this recipe. So yeah, I'm using butter. My tray is well coated. I'm gonna go ahead and add my oatmeal mixture. Use your hands, make sure they're clean. Just do little bulbs and put them on the tray, basically. This one's a little bit small, so I'm gonna add a little bit more on top of it. Yeah, looks kind of small. Let's add some. There we go. Let's add a little bit more. Sounds good. Okay, let's do some ball. Yeah, you can make it small or big, depends on you, how you like it. So first time you make this recipe, I would recommend making it a little bit smaller, like the size I'm using right now. And then as you become comfortable, you can make it as big as you want. So yeah, so we have about 8 with 2 bananas and 1.5 cup of oatmeal. That's a lot. We're going to put our cookies into the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Oh, look at that. Looks so good. Look at the color. Oh my gosh. Just 2 ingredient cookies. Oh, and they're not even sticking. Oh my gosh, so good. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and keep cooking at home. Thank you.